This is a tour of the new twin turbo small block Chev by MCS Design, available in Colts and CG Trader. It's designed to be as detailed as possible for scale modeling, 3D printing, usually with resin printers. There's a few different options on this motor to suit the style and the engine or the car that you want to build it with. So if we go to 3D mode, we can start to see some of the details, and you can see the engine block is a small block Chev 2 type block with some details and some Higgins heads. The heads have the locations for the ignition wires that sit over the spark plugs already there. And then they're topped with some low profile billet valve covers. The valve covers have some AN fittings in them, and they've got some Allen key type bolts details. The front of the block has a electric water pump, an MSD timing cover, and then if we look at the intake manifold, twin fuel rails with AN fittings on the back and a Bluetooth distributor. And the fuel hoses at the front. On top is a Wilson billet style elbow with a blast panel on the back, and that connects to a MotionWorks style Icon throttle body with the dual in feeds and MotionWorks type hose fittings that connect them up, or V-band fittings. The two boost pipes, so you can see actually on the throttle body there's a docking point for the wires as well, in case you wanted to add some of those details. Allen key bolts, clips, it's all there. So on the boost pipes you can see the MotionWorks style V-band clips, but they're split in half so you can match the boost pipes to the throttle body. They include the wastegates on the bottom and the same connectors with the turbo, half on the turbo, half on the boost pipe. The turbos are mirrored turbos, just so it looks more uniform, and you can see the impeller detail inside. They have the AN fittings for the oil lines feeding the lubrication and the drainage back, and the same MotionWorks type clip, V-band clip on the exhaust from the turbo, but they're both located on the exhaust pipe just for a cleaner fit. There's two different styles. One has a merge directly into the single pipe, and the other is twin pipes coming out the side. So depending on the style that you want to run and how much you want to cut the body, it depends on which one you can use. The exhaust manifolds are an equal length 4:1, and they're a one-piece design. Oil filter, deep sump and starter motor all come together as separate pieces. And there will be some future valve cover options as well. Just depends on the build and style that you want. But otherwise, get in, have a look. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy the building and tag us on the finished builds, either on Instagram or on Colts and CG Trader, so we can see how those are coming through. Enjoy.